Introduction to MS Access 2010. Today we are learning about creating a table. The first object to be added to the database is the table. Table can be created in the design view or the datasheet view. Creating a table in design view. In design view, we have to first create the structure of the table. To enter the table, the view is changed in the datasheet view to enter data. In order to create the table, first click on Create tab and under Table group, press Table Design. On doing about, we will see a table that opens up with 3 columns related to the table. The 3 columns refers to some description of elements of the table like field name, data type and description. Enter each field of table and the above element of each field. At the bottom of the design view of the table, there are 2 tabs to define some additional characterized properties of each field of the table. After entering all required data in the table, click on File tab and click Save. Next, the Save As dialog box open and enter a name for a table and click on OK. A dialog box opens asking you enter a primary key. Click No in this dialog box. To add data to a table. To add data to the above created table, we need to shift to the datasheet view. First, double click the name of the table created in the design view, seen in the navigation pane. The datasheet view opens. You may now start entering data. Third, to enter data, click on particular box in datasheet view. Press Tab from the keyboard to move to the next field. Press Shift plus Tab to remove the previous field. To modify the table design. First, open the database with the table to modify. Second, select the table. Third, on the Home tab, click on the View button and choose Design View. The table design will open up and ready to the modified it. To add a new field. Place the cursor on the field before which you want to insert the field. Click on Insert Row, bottom in the Design tab of the MS Access window. When you finish entering the data, you may close the pane by pressing the Close button. The changes that are made to table are automatically saved when we close the table. Creating a table in datasheet view. In order to create a table in datasheet view, we need to click on the Create tab and then on the Table command. To add data, just click in the empty cell and beginning typing. To rename a column of the table, double click my column header and change the name. Modify a table design. After creating a table, if you want to add, delete or edit some field, then you have to make change to design the table. To delete the field, place cursor on the field to be deleted. From the Design tab of the Table Tools, click on the Delete Row button. MS Access shows the dialog box on the whether you want to permanently delete all the fields and the data inside the fields. Rename a field. To change a name of field, follow the given step. Click on the table name in all object panes. Select the Design tab. From View group, select the Design view. To change data type of field. In order to change data type of field, click on Data type property of the particular field. From the drop-down menu, select any data type. Please save the table after the required changes have been made to the table. Adding, deleting and modify data in table. To add a new record, open the table in datasheet view as has been covered earlier. To add a new record, click on the New button on the record group of the Home tab. To delete a record, select the record to be deleted. Either press delete from keyboard or click the delete button in the record group of the Home tab. Our fourth chapter is over.